recording this from my window. Ooh.
Start picking up stuff too. Just trying to keep yourself entertained while you're driving.
That's the way from my house. Maybe I should turn the light on.
We're going to go sit by the river and keep you soft. Awesome. You remember Larry Joe Johnson? He said, don't know why Larry Joe said, look down there, it's going to make it possible. You see? It's probably I know they can't see it. The arms are right there by the corner. Look, he's walking straight up to him. He's walking straight. Look, he's right there. There, y'all got an armadillo. We're just looking at this. What is that? Oh, there's one right here. There goes Johnson. There it is. It must be armadillo mating season or something. I just recorded a bunch of stuff that I didn't have the camera on. Every missed the frog trying to catch it. This is where we'll be swimming. I didn't bring my GoPro over doing stuff in the water because it was kind of dark. What I also said was, I don't know what it is. Might go grab it.
Ooh, that was a good one.
It's been there for a while. I don't know if I need to go pop it, but it was at night too, we were towards them. They were big catfish. We were far out there swimming. Yeah, we're still waiting on Noah. What is that? Waiting on Noah. That's not it. So he needs to get his scallywag tail here.
And that's Lee McNasty in the background.
Probably believe junk here. Big book.
There's a fight up there.